You know that moment when you are just trying to clean, but instead you are coughing, your nose is running, and you feel like you just inhaled a lab experiment. Very bad, isn't it? That was me until fed up with store-bought floor and toilet cleaners that made me feel like I was gasping for air. I went back to nature's cupboard. I simply boiled pineapple rinds, toasting fresh lemon and ginger, and let it simmer like I was making healing tea. But this time for my home. So sieve them and you add salt to the filtrate as I am doing now. About 5 tablespoons of salt. Salt is a natural disinfectant, enhances cleansing power and inhibits mold or microbial growth. Now I add a cup of sodium bicarbonate, natural deodorizer and stain remover, gently abrasive for scrubbing power. Now you can add your favorite wash up liquid. I decide to use this because the amount I'm making is large. I'm adding 3 of those wash up liquid to make almost about 10 or more liters. After adding the wash up liquid, make sure to stir and mix all together. Now I see that it is too much for my last ingredient in that single container, so I decant it. My last ingredient is Coca-Cola, which contains carbonic and phosphoric acid, which can help cut through grime and remove limescale. Lemon and ginger add zest and fragrance to it. Also, they are great degreaser. What came out? A game changer, a zesty, powerful, foaming multipurpose cleansing liquid. It's not just a cleaner, it's a breath of fresh air for anyone tired of chemical-laden fumes. See all that I got from it. This will serve me for months, and I even fill this almost 5 liters jar. So let's try it out. Look at how foamy